Hi, I'm Jared with Funsciencedemos. You know, the ingredients to make a cloud are pretty simple. You just need some water vapor, some dust, and some cold air. But when you want to make a cloud in a room or in a classroom, you need lots of different equipment, maybe an air pump, matches. Today, we're going to make a cloud, and all we're going to use is a water bottle with a little bit of water. That's it. So we already have 2 of the 3 ingredients to make a cloud already in this bottle. We have liquid water that's going to put some water vapor into the air, and believe it or not, there's dust in the air in this bottle. We just need to make some cold air. So how do I make it cold enough inside the bottle to allow that water vapor to condense into a cloud? Well, I'm going to twist the bottle, and when I twist the bottle, it's going to increase the pressure inside the bottle and actually raise my temperature. And I'm going to keep twisting until that bottle is really solid and there's a lot of pressure inside the bottle. You can actually feel the bottle get warm. Now we've zoomed in so you can get a better look at the cloud that's going to form inside our bottle. We need to quickly lower the pressure inside the bottle, which will also lower the temperature enough to allow a cloud to condense. So I'm going to quickly spin off the cap and see if we can see a cloud. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So I need to quickly drop the pressure inside this bottle, which is also going to quickly drop the temperature and get it cold enough so that a cloud will condense in the bottle. To do that, I have to quickly spin off the cap, and let's see what happens. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's tricky. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So dig a plastic bottle out of the recycling bin, put in a little bit of water, and try and make your own cloud. Science really is so cool, especially when it's simple. Thanks for watching.